Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. It's Neelam from Learn with Miss Neelam T YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in the previous video we have covered the lesson number 1. I hope you watched that video, and if you haven't, then you must have to watch that video first and then move toward the second video. Now let's move on to the next lesson, which is about the ribbon. For the insert ribbon, now first I am going to open a Word document. What do you have to do is, the first thing is, on your search bar, if you already have the Microsoft Word, can you see in the recent I can easily find it. If you didn't find this, you can just simply write on your search bar Microsoft Word, or just write Word 2016, it will automatically come up. Okay, now the first thing is just press enter and the Microsoft Word is going to be opened. So the first thing is, you just have to click on this blank document. Okay, as for the insert ribbon in Microsoft Word, there are different options available that you can add into your document. Where can you find it? Can you see on the top, this here and the blue toolbar, can you see there? The second one is basically a insert ribbon. To access this, simply click on the insert tab at the top of your Word window. Okay, this is the Word window. On the top of it, you can just click on it and you can easily went into it. Here are some of the options you will find in the insert tab. First one is basically picture. If I clicked on it, can you see that it asks me for number of pictures? Suppose I have this number of pictures over here. If I just click on any one of the image, it would be like, can you see, if I just selected this image, and for the preview, this image will comes into my this preview window, and if I click on this insert button, can you see that this image automatically came into my Word document? Okay, this is basically a coding of I think the web development. Yes, I just did it for some students, and you can easily see that that was a screenshot for that particular coding. Okay, just moving, let's move to the next. I am pressing enter, and again the next option we are going to explore is online pictures. If I just click on the search Bing, if its name is, I know, the Ronaldo name, if I searched it, and you would see that there would be number of pictures that will came up. Okay, now if you want to select, suppose if I'm selecting this one, and if I would click on this insert button, this image is going to be download, and then it would be insert into your Word document. So this is how you can select the online image and insert it into your document. Here I'm going to add, suppose, the shapes. Okay, in the shapes option, can you see there are multiple rectangle, circle, whatever the option you want. Suppose I want to draw a star. Okay, from the stars and banners, can you see here, if I click on this 5-point stars, can you see my mouse has become like a plus sign. So if I click and drag, and then when I am going to leave it like this, okay, the stars came up. Now the shape, whatever the shape you want. Okay, I just click the selected the star one. Okay, from here you can simply change the color of it as well. Okay, let me first move it at this position so that you can easily see which colors has been changing. And from here, can you see, whatever, I'm just hovering my mouse on that color, and that color is automatically being changed. Can you see? That's it. This is how you can insert multiple shapes into your in your Word document, and you can make your document more presentable. Okay, the third thing I want to tell you is about charts. Okay, the fourth thing, I guess, yes, charts. Okay, whatever the chart you want to insert, suppose pi 1. Okay, I am inserting this chart. Okay, and then if I am going to click OK, and this is how it will insert it into your document. Okay, can you see that the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter? If you want to delete any quarter, you can simply delete it like this. I am deleting this, and also deleting this fourth one. If I'm moving over here, can you see there are only 3 quarters now? Okay, and if I'm going to just move it here, can you see there are only 3 quarters now? If I'm going to change the name, suppose from the sales, if I'm going to change it, like this is a channel, its name is Learn with Mrs. Neelam T. Okay, and now if I'm going to just click anywhere, can you see that on the graph on the top, can you see that how this value has been changed? Okay, so this is how whatever the editing you want to do, you can just edit it from this Excel sheet, and when I'm going to cross it, your graph will be on the same position where you have just placed. Okay, you don't have to like worry about it where it would go. And the third thing we have been learning, okay, let's see the book what we have covered already in the insert ribbon. Can you see that we have covered the shapes, charts, online pictures and pictures? Okay, we haven't covered the text box, page number, tables and cover page. Let's cover that first. Okay, can you see in the how you are going to insert the page number? Okay, this is very simple. Can you see on the insert tab? I went into the insert tab, and can you see over here page number? If I just clicked on it, it would ask you want a page number on the top, in the middle, on the right corner, or if you want a page number at the bottom, at which position, at the beginning, middle and at the end. So whatever the position, suppose if I want it to be on the bottom, okay, and I want it to be on the corner, can you see that automatically it has been added? Page number 3, and this is the page number 2, this is on page number 1. Okay, here can you see here? So the second thing, I think you all must agree, the cover page. Okay, you all knew about the cover page. I am assuming that it's simply that let me give you an example. This is the grade 4 ICT book, so this is the cover page of your book, right? So for the any documentation, whatever the documentation you are going to do, the first front page in which the title of the book or the title of the document has been written, so we call it as a cover page. For any document you must require that cover page. For that what you have to do is go to the insert tab. You will find the cover page on the top. Can you see over here? And if I click on this, I'm just hovering on it. Okay, my mouse is just hovering on that particular icon. If I click on this arrow, I just clicked on this, can you see that there are a number of cover pages? So if I just click any one, it would automatically add it into your first page. Okay, suppose I'm going to add this one, can you see that automatically all the other pages move to the next page, and this is added into your first page, and this would be considered as your first page. Suppose I'm going to write it with learn with Miss Neelam. So this is the document name. So this is how it looks like. And if you want to add more details on it, who am I, who's the author? It's me, Neelam. So I'm going to write my name. Or if you want to increase the size of the text, just select the text and go to home. And can you see the text writing? You can also change it from the arrow button. There are a number of writings you can see. If I'm selecting this Times New Roman, I'm just increasing the size of this name. Can you see? I'm just clicking on this, and this is how it looks. Okay, whatever the company name, whatever the company address, suppose cover the company name, whatever the school name you have had, and whatever the school address of it, we just write it and it will come like this. It would look like this. Okay, so this was the cover page, and the last but not the least was the table. Okay, basically I'm just going to give you the overview how you're going to add the tables. In the next lesson, that is lesson number 3, we will explore more about the tables. From the insert tab you can also find the tables, a number of rows, number of columns. You can select any. Suppose I'm selecting 3 by 3, and whatever the numbers you want, you just select it and add your numbers, whatever the names you want, whatever the number you want, just add it. And this is how the tables look like. Okay, we will dig more into it when we are moving toward lesson number 3. For this lesson, I think that is enough for this lesson. Whatever we have covered, just look overview it. Okay, we covered cover page, shapes, tables, chart, page number, pictures, online pictures, and the one more thing is the text box. Don't worry about it, I'm just telling you about it, how it is. In the insert tab, if I'm moving to the next line, okay, here, from here can you see that in the insert tab, this is the text box. Okay, from here you can select any text box. These are the simple text box. Just select any text box. If I'm going to select this one, can you see this is how it looks like? Whatever the text you want to add, just add inside it, and it would simply looks like this. Okay, and if you want whatever the other changes you want to do, you want to color inside it, outline it, you just, that was I don't want to complicate it. Let me tell you. Okay, just one more thing, that is go to the format tab, and from here the text is already being selected. Okay, I'm just changing the color of this whole box. So suppose I am selecting this color, and this is how it looks like. Okay, I hope you like the video, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. First, just see the lesson. All of this has been covered. All of this has been covered. Yes, 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 and yes. We all have covered from this till this, and also we have covered little about table in the last lesson, little things about the tables. And the next lesson inshallah we are covering more about the tables. So that's it for it, and let me show you the exercise solution for it, and then we are done with this lesson. And this is lesson number 2. We just have covered what is the insert ribbon. Okay, these are the solution. What is insert ribbon used for? You know that. What it is, why we are using for cover page shapes, all of these options, whatever you have explored, just wrote it. And what where are the pictures located when you insert from the pictures and from the online pictures. Okay, when you are going to select from pictures, you know that it is located on the computer, online pictures on the internet. What is cover page? Just write in your own words in one line. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video a lot, and I hope you will definitely going to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.